Case name Shreyas, and today date is 3rd February 2025. So I want to see sample before treatment. Why you came here?
So yeah, I had high pitch voice problem, so I've come here for the treatment.
Please describe in detail what exactly challenge you face in day-to-day life.
Yeah, so there's a high pitch volume, so people might misunderstand my voice to a female voice.
A video of Shreyas, and today date is 10th of February 2025. I want to see sample after treatment. Why you came and how do you feel now?
I had come here for Puberphonia, and this is my voice after treatment from SLP Sanjay Kumar.
So what is your age now?
My age is 28 now.
Yeah, so 28 years is not pubertal age, so technically it's not correct to say the puberphonia, but if some people were coming, some guys were coming at the pubertal age, that will be correct. Anyway, somehow you are right.
Yes.
So just describe your problem so that a common man can understand.
Yeah, so I had a feminine voice when I was talking on phone. Now this is my voice after the treatment.
So when you spoke after treatment, what feedback you got?
People firstly did not recognize my voice, and after that they were all surprised after hearing the voice.
So have you recorded your voice on the first day and today? What difference you observed?
Yeah, I find that my voice is now very confident. I'm feeling very confident to talk to people now.
Can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, definitely, sir.
Okay, thanks for the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to the right place. Thanks for watching.